I'm aware that you've been changing nappies for the last year, Madam Crown, but certain rules of advocacy are still part of the Evidence Act.
Good cop, good lawyer. What are they, when you get right down to it?
Mr. Moreno, I find you not guilty. You're free to go.
A good man is never beaten by fear.
An immediate custodial sentence in the upper range of 8 to 10 years is the minimum that should be considered.
To hell with fair play, to hell with teamwork, you selfish dyke!
I didn't hate Stephen Blakely. I just wanted justice for my daughter. That's all I've ever wanted.
And the kids still love me when they know what I do. Why would you worry about that? Because I want them to grow up learning about tolerance, forgiveness, acceptance.
Miss King, I tread very carefully if I were you.
I'm not going anywhere. I shouldn't be worried, should I?
People who might hold a grudge against you.
Most of the crooks you've prosecuted.
I don't need this. I know who did it.
If I go to Terry Manor with this without any evidence, he is going to call me crazy and laugh in my face.
Then go over Renner's head.
Rena Photography.
He's known Steve Blakely for at least 5 years.
If they know that I told you this,
What were you doing?
they will kill me.
In my teens, he looked after me a lot and he taught me to be really strong. And now I just don't know if that was because he knew.
I have been blessed with this perfect family, and I put them all in danger.
You take the taxi, you head straight to the safe house. You do not call anyone, no one.
They'll catch the guy who did this. What if they don't? How does it end then?